The last one of its kind. And man, I'm so sad. So sad. Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Like I said in the opener, today's box is going to be the last one of its kind. This is a Marvel Collector Core box. I've been collecting them for about the past like maybe 2 years, year and a half, 2 years, something like that. And I think it was in December, they canceled the run. It was exclusive to Amazon. And I heard rumblings of they might bring it back here and there, but it's not going to be subscription based. Who knows? We'll see. First, before we get into this though, I got this autograph here from Striking Signatures that I want to show you guys. I have two of them. I don't exactly know which one this is. Well, I know the two that I got autographed from the celebrity guy. Or actually it was a guy and a girl, so I don't know if this was, yeah, either or. We got an autograph in here. It's a cool one. Yeah, let's get in here and show it off. So these people are on Whatnot. They do a lot of different autograph signings with different celebrities, private autograph signings or whatever. Go on there and tell them what you want. They got a bunch of different Funko Pops. You pay for inscriptions or character name or whatever it is, and they get the signature right there on the video for you, so you can see them, you know, taking the picture or not taking the picture, signing the autograph and everything. So that's pretty cool. All right, so this one is going to be, yeah. All right, so this one is okay. It's from Scary Movie. The guy who played I can't remember. The guy who played Doofy. I'll post his name up right there or whatever. But he was signing with these guys, and I got a Ghostface pop signed by him. All right, so it says, "What's up? What's up? What's up?" And then he's got his signature right there. And then on the side, he put, "Don't disturb me while I'm cleaning my room."
I said, "Don't disturb me while I'm cleaning my room."
Doofy. I haven't seen this show in a while. I haven't seen, they're actually coming out with a new one, and Ghostface is reprising his role, and I can't remember if they're gonna do Pennywise or no, they're gonna do the Terrifier, I think. So that's gonna be cool. Hell yeah. Add that to my collection. All right, so now let's get into this. All right, so like I said, Amazon Prime, Marvel Collector Core. Actually, I'm not sure what this last one was. Actually, was it for Captain America? It might have been for Captain America. Or, yep, that's what it was. All right, cool. All right, so we got Captain America Brave New World right there. Back of the box. Yeah. I never was spoiled with these, so I never saw what the pops were, what the shirts were. So I'm sad these are going away because, for one, the shirts were super cool. They actually have been getting kind of lax with their with the molds and everything. Back in the day, though, they had like the Hulkbuster. They had the movie moments Whiplash for Iron Man that I got back there. They had some really cool ones, 6-inch pops, 10-inch pop. No, not 10-inch, 6-inch, and yeah, they had some really cool ones. They kind of, I don't know, Marvel's kind of been slipping a little bit, but hopefully with Doomsday coming out and Secret Wars, it'll go right back to where it used to be. But yeah, let's get into this mystery box. All right, so yep, Captain America: Brave New World. And that's where they would have had next week's one on there, and it's not on there. So it tells you it's done. All right, so first we got a pin, got the Red Hulk. Guys, let me know down below if you went to see Captain America: Brave New World, what you thought about it. I didn't think it was bad. I think they could have had more Hulk in it, more Red Hulk. There's a sticker. They kind of rushed it at the end, but it wasn't that bad of a movie. It wasn't like the Marvels or anything like that. All right, so the shirt is gonna be sweet. It's gonna be Red Hulk and Falcon on there, or Captain America. The black shirt, love some black shirts. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, it's got the new Falcon, Captain America, and Red Hulk. See, now that's a cool freaking t-shirt. Dig it. All right, so the two pops we are gonna get. Betcha we got a Red Hulk, and I betcha we got a Captain America, right?
Spoiler alert.
Just what I'm guessing. All right, first one. Captain America. Look at that. All shielded up. That's not a bad pop looking right there. Marvel Collector Core. Box is in good shape. It's not damaged. I dig it. I dig it. And last but not least, we got this one. Come on, Red Hulk. Come on, Red Hulk. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, it's a thunderclap. That's dope, dude. Oh, that is sick. Look at that. Y'all clapping it off in there.
So wrong.
Bam! Hulk smash. Hulk smash! I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box and take a look at it. Oh, it's dope. Alright, so we got Red Hulk. He's clapping. Yeah, and he's mad. Not a bad Funko Pop right there. I dig it. Alright, here we go. Here's Captain America. Dope. I like it. That is cool, man. Alright, for the heck of it, let's look up some PPG values and see what these are going for, value-wise. Red Hulk's coming in at $27, so not bad right there. And this one's coming in at $21, so not bad right there. The pops alone paid for the box. The shirt alone is like right there. I mean, the pins, I'm not really a pin guy. I mean, I collect them all. I mean, I have them. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section what you thought about this box. What you thought about the Marvel Collector Core boxes. I'd like to hear it down in the comment section down below. But yeah, favorite on the day is probably going to be this Ghostface What's Up Pop by Doofy. Love that show. But yeah, you guys let me know down in the comment section which was your favorite of the day. Also, let me know what you thought about this box. You're sad to see it go. You wish they would have changed it and maybe bring it back for like Secret Wars and like the big Avengers movies. But yeah, let me get situated and we'll go into the we'll do another couple sections of the Optimus Prime Die-Cast mode. All right, be right back. All right, so we're getting into number 43, 44, 45, 46. This is a bigger than normal box, so maybe there's a something inside there extra. Yep, just like I thought. All right, okay. So we got the usual pieces, and then this one is extra. So this is going to be the bust mode of its head, of Optimus Prime head. Go ahead and take it out of the box. And let's see what we got here. Holy cow. Look at that. That is cool, man. It's heavy. It's all freaking solid metal. That is cool. Transformers 2024 Hasbro. Look at that. All right. Oh, damn. I wish I let it lit up. That'd be cool. That's a little cool, though. It's a cool set piece. Just set it right there. I dig it. Thank you, fan home. All right, okay. So let's get into it. Let's get to number. We got 43. Bam. So here we go like this. All right, we got Fassbinder. Codemaster and COO of the Real Effing Deal. Oh, that was the fuel the jet, fuel the jet, fuel the jet.
Fuel the jet. Fuel the jet, DJ.
Prime's Armada. The Stunticons.
Stunticons!
They're all like flashy. Stunticons. I've never heard of those guys. Operation Combination. Micro Masters, Combiners, Road Corp, and Jet Corps. Alright, so we're getting into the left shoulder, number 3. Alright, and just like that, it's done. Good thing I had glue, because you had to glue in that part so it stayed in there, and then a washer you had to glue in there. Good thing I had some super glue. Alright, let's get into the next one. Alright, so we got number 44. The Last of a Dying Breed. Optimus, the death of Optimus. What do we got? We got High Energy. Grimlock. He's a sweet transformer.
Come back here, Grimlock!
Autobots Generation 2. We got Aqua Speeders, Color Changers, Classics, GoBots, Illuminator, Laser Routes. Alright, left shoulder number 4.
One eternity later.
All right, so that was the worst ever. So I was having so much trouble with that one screw right in there. Look, see, it's not all the way down all the way. Right in there. So hopefully it doesn't come apart because there's no way that I can fit a screw in there or like a wrench in there to get that all the way down, you know, see, so I can put the thing on the bottom. Either way, and then frickin' I dropped a pin to connect these two things together and I couldn't find it forever. Had to get out the I got out a lint roller because I was just trying to get it, like, because my carpet is not really the you know, the most shaggiest or whatever, the longest threads, but like you couldn't find this little pin in there. And I finally get it out, I put it together or whatever, the third one, and then it freaking broke on the other side, so I'm gonna have to order a new one. Is what it is. They say you can order parts, and I think they're free. They replace free parts or whatever, these little pieces. If not, I can't do that much more than a couple bucks. But yeah, all right, we're done with number 44. That thing took forever. Looks cool though. All right, get to the next one. All right, on to 45. Sharksky, don't know what that is. Megatronus, what? Dude's on fire. Never heard of that guy. We got Thundercracker. Thundercracker. Decepticons Generation 2. Got Skyriders, Heroics, Classics, GoBots, Cyberjets, Redwing with Smokescreen. Right shoulder number 1. Right shoulder. All right, let's go. All right, done. Done skis. We've done this before. Act like you've been here before. All right, next one. All right, last but not least, we have number 46. The Legacy of the Trackers. Ancient Visitors. Vast Galaxy. Sludge. Look at Sludge. European Transformers. We got the Turbo Masters. We got the Predators. We also have Sparkabots, Lightformers, Trackons, Obliterators, Reissues, Redecoys, and Power Masters. All right, right shoulder number 2. All right, bam, I'm done. Let me get cleaned up here and we'll end the video. All right, y'all, and just like that, that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you're thinking about the build so far. We're finally getting pieces of the arm. It's coming together good. I had my first broken piece, so I gotta call and get a replacement part. Yeah, not too shabby if you ask me. I'm gonna have to have its own drawer pretty soon. It's getting huge as fuck. Okay, but yeah, that's gonna do it. Let me know what you think so far down below in the comment section below. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch the video. Guys, keep coming back, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.